Hello viewers, welcome back. So in the last video, we walked through the highlights of the latest release Tally Release 7.1. Starting this video, we shall explore each feature in the Tally product and we will see what is the benefit of this feature and how are we going to basically configure these features for leveraging this feature to the full benefit of your organization. So in this video, we will quickly walk through the feature of word wrap facility that Tally is provided, and we will go to Tally and see how are we going to configure and use this feature of auto word wrap facility. Notice that from TallyPrime7.1, a new feature, that is the status of company data backup, is provided on the gateway of Tally. So if you have not scheduled backup, you will get this message. And once you have scheduled the backup, in case for some reason, if the backup is not completed, then you will get the backup information saying that backup failed and the font will be in red. By clicking here, you can go to the log file and immediately take a backup. This is important because there is an important update effective from 1st of April 2026 under Rule 46, Sub Rule 8 of Income Tax Act. Businesses maintaining books of accounts in electronic form are required to take daily backups of their records and ensure that the data remains accessible when required. Now we will go to the first enhancement, that is auto wrap text. This feature enhances the readability of long text entered in vouchers, masters, and in reports. This way, it ensures that text appears clearly not only during data entry and report viewing, but also during printing, exporting, and sharing the details. This feature is enabled by default. If you do not want the auto wrap text option, you can disable it. Let us now see where is the configuration that you can disable or enable this feature. From the gateway of Tally, click on F1 and then click on Settings. Under Display, under the list of configuration, in the application section, you have this option called auto wrap text. So this is by default enabled. If you don't want, you can just select this and just press enter. It will toggle to no. Another enter will toggle to yes. I'm keeping this as yes, which is the default setting. Now you can just press escape or you can press Control A to come out of this configuration screen. Now let us create a stock item and see the impact of this feature. So you go to create stock item. Let us say this is my purchase invoice and this is the item which has got a complete description of this item, which is Amazon basic 100 watt fast charging power bank with all the configuration. Now I want this whole thing to be captured as my stock item. So all you can do is just copy this text, Control C, minimize this, click Control V to paste. So you will see this partly here. Now when you just press enter, you will see the entire information that we have copied is got pasted here. Let this item be under primary. The unit of measure is numbers and rest of the information, let's leave it as it is, and I'm saving this Control A. Let us now make this purchase entry. Date is, let us say, 1st of April. Supplier invoice number. Party we are purchasing from Ambika Enterprises. Select purchase ledger. Now name of the item, you just select Amazon basic. So you will see the entire text of the item is completely visible here. Just select enter. Order number not applicable. You will see the item name here fully. Go down. I can say main location, quantity, 5 numbers. Rate is 2400. Enter. End of list. And this is the item. And now when you come back to the item, you will see if the name is partially visible, just put your cursor here. With the help of tooltip, we can see the complete name here, either in the report here or any place. Just press enter, save this, enter, and I'll select CGST, SGST, and save this voucher. Press page up to recall the previously saved voucher, and let us view this in the purchase invoice format. Press Ctrl P and click on preview, and you will notice here the full name is getting displayed in your invoice also. The same thing will be applicable for your sales invoice also. Let us view the stock summary. So click on stock summary and you will notice the item in full. Now press F12 configure. Let us enable opening balance. Inward, outward, closing is already there. Just save it, Control A, and you will see that based on the additional column, the name is auto wrapped. We can further customize auto wrap text for print, export, and share. To configure auto wrap as per your need, click on print, click on configure, and here you have this option auto wrap text in vouchers, auto wrap text in report. When you click here and enter, Tally is going to give you the list of vouchers where you can configure the auto wrap feature for export, share, or print for each voucher type. Now, if you want to see the list of all the voucher type, again, come back here, press yes, select yes, and now you will see the list of all the voucher types that are provided in Tally for which you can configure your auto wrap setting. So for printing of auto wrap text, you will see here it says for best result in the configuration, we need to enable optimize printing to save paper. So export and share, we can select for PDF and JPEG, or you can select all three, print, export, and share based on that. If you don't want auto wrap text for any of the voucher type, all you can do is just select not applicable. Once you have configured this, save this. Again, here you have auto wrap text for exporting, sharing, printing, or all three options you have. And you also have not applicable. Next, auto wrap text in reports. Now this configuration, just now what we saw under print configuration, is available for you under share configuration, the same option. So in any one place you can set it up. You don't have to do it in all three places. Export also you have configuration and you have auto wrap text here. So in one place you configure, it will apply for all these three areas of activity. We can also configure auto wrap text under print configuration. For example, let us say that we go to stock summary, click on stock summary. You're seeing a long name here. Now let's say I want to print this. So I'm going to press Ctrl P, and when I go to preview, you will see that since there is a space here, it is giving you the full name and it is not auto wrapping the stock item name. Now in this report, while printing or sharing or exporting, if you want auto wrap to be done at this report level, all you have to do is just come back, go to configure, and you don't have to search here. All you have to do is just type auto wrap, select auto wrap text, enter, and now this will get enabled. All you have to do is you can just press escape or press Ctrl A. Now when you come to print preview, you will see that the name has got auto wrapped automatically. Here again, if you are bringing the other column here, you will see opening, inward, outward, Control A, and now print configuration. Just make sure that auto wrap is set to yes, because these are dynamic configuration. Again, come out, print preview, and you will see that automatically the entire name gets auto wrapped and complete information is visible for you in all your printing, reports, exporting, and sharing. I hope this video would have given you a clear idea of how you can enable, configure auto word wrap text, and also how you can use this for your printing, reporting, and exporting or sharing of the data. Important thing that we understood at the beginning is the backup of your data on a regular basis or on a daily basis. And we also saw the rule that is mandating the backup of the data. Thank you all once again for staying till the end. See you all in the next session. Thank you very much.